This is an emergency Bitcoin update because right now, Bitcoin is on the brink of an absolute disaster. As you can see, we are getting a move down towards this $40,000 level. And if we lose this $40,000 level, this will be the first time since September 11, 2023, that we actually make a lower low on the daily time frame. And if we make a lower low on the daily time frame, we are looking at prices down around that $27,000 to $31,000 level. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because, guys, we have been telling you what is going to happen before it happens. I opened up a $500,000 Bitcoin long trade at the exact bottom, told you guys where my target was, and of course, I warned you that as we came up to this Fibonacci golden pocket zone, we were going to be getting a rejection from that level, and that is exactly what has happened. A huge shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because we did give this trade setup in advance. I took this live during the New York Open live stream, and we're currently up 388% in profits. So this is what we need to be aware of right now for the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price right now is rejecting from the macro 618 Fibonacci level. This is the Fibonacci pull from the bull market high in November 2021 to the bear market low in 2022. And what's so important about this specific piece of price action is as the price is getting higher into our key resistance, we are seeing the momentum waves and the money flow both getting lower on the daily market Cipher B. Now, the 618 Fibonacci level, she is actually my high school crush. Her name is Six Juanita, and I had a huge crush on this chick. Six Juanita, oh man, how beautiful. Look at those pixelated teeth, the nose holes, everything, right? So I asked her out on a date. Turns out I was in the friend zone. So when I asked her out on a date, she was absolutely disgusted with me. And she gave me the hand, and she gave me the face, and she rejected me. Big purple candle, bear flag, and then boom, more downside. Now, why did she reject me? Well, I was too nice for her, right? I was holding the door for her, doing nice things for her. She was into bad guys like this guy, Sam Bankman-Fried. Now, notice something about his breasticles, upside down and crooked. This is called, in the medical literature, a bearish divergence. And if we actually just take a look at what's happening right now on the chart, we can see that we are indeed printing the upside down bearish Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern as the price is rejecting right from that 6 Juanita Fibonacci level. Now, why is this so important? Well, if we go and look historically at what Bitcoin has done throughout the past bull cycles, these white lines vertical represent the halving. The green lines, horizontal, represent the base of support that we make every bull market. Every bull market, this is going back to 2011, we form a base of support. During the bear market, we lose that base, and then we get a big rally before the halving, where people get very, very bullish into the key Fibonacci level, and then we come back down to retest our base of support before getting the real bounce, the halving, and the beginning of the bull market. Now, fast forward to 2014, where we form a base of support during the bull market. We lose it during the bear market. We reclaim it. We rally up. Everybody gets very bullish right into the 6 Juanita Fibonacci. We ask her on a date. No, we're in the friend zone. Back down to retest our base of support. Right into that halving. Bam, off into the bull market. It happened again in 2016. We formed our base of support right here during the bull market, going all the way back to November 13th, 2017. Bear market rally right into the Fibonacci 6 Juanita. Rejected because we're in the friend zone. Bam. Down to test our base of support, and then we get the real bounce into the halving. Look at what's happening right now. We formed our base of support here in 2017. We get our bear market rally up into the Fibonacci 618 level. Now, are we going to come back down to test our support before the halving into the bull market? Now, the historical data says that is very, very probable. Now, let's take a look at the actual price action here to see what is most likely to happen. Well, when we are on the weekly time frame, something stands out very much so. If we are going to now close a candle on the daily or the weekly below $40,000, this is the first time we are going to be printing a lower low on the weekly time frame since all the way back in, really, we could take this thing all the way back to March 2023, right? That would be a very, very significant candle close. And also, if we take a look at this entire move up here, we have not formed any base of support after the important breakout of our previous bull market support level, right? This is our support. We lost it. It was resistance once. It was resistance twice. And then we finally got the breakout. So if we're going to have a proper retest of support, we would actually expect and even hope for a move back down to this base. Because if we can come back down and test this base, this is going to be an area where I am going to be aggressively buying Bitcoin on spot and looking for long trades, because if we can come down to this level right here, this is going to be what a very important support. This is going to prove to everybody that yes, Bitcoin is breaking out. Yes, Bitcoin is going into another bull market. We've seen this happen many times in the past where we test that previous bull market support before getting the new all-time high. So these are very, very exciting times. But right now, the key level to keep our eyes on is going to be $40,000, because until we lose $40,000, technically speaking, we are still forming bullish market structure right here. In fact, as we speak, we are getting a bounce from this trend line right here. Okay, so $40,000, this is the gateway to lower prices. If we can hold this, then I would say, you know what, maybe there's a chance we make another higher high. But for right now, the way things are looking, especially when we look at the 4-hour market Cipher B right here, the bullish divergences are invalid. The money flow is coming out. I would expect lower prices.